Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to install PHP 8.5, the current latest version, on a Windows computer. So open up any browser you're comfortable with. Head to the search box, type in PHP download, and hit enter. Click on the first result from php.net. This will take you to the official PHP downloads page. At the time of recording this video, the latest version available is PHP 8.5. Below that, you'll see two download options, non-thread safe and thread safe, but I highly recommend choosing the thread safe version. Simply click on zip link and the file will begin downloading to your computer. Once download is complete, open your downloads folder. Because it's a zip file, right-click on it and choose Extract All. We now have a proper folder, PHP 8.5.8, ready to go. After that, move this folder directly to your C drive. After that, rename folder to simply PHP for short and easy to find it later. Then, open the folder, click on address bar and copy folder full path. Head to your Windows search bar and type environment and select edit the system environment variables. Make sure you're on the advanced tab, then click on environment variables. Under system variables section, find path and double-click on it. Click new, then paste the folder path you copied earlier. Click OK, then OK again to save changes and close all windows. So let's verify that PHP has been installed correctly. Just open up a command prompt, then type in version check command and hit enter. If you see the PHP version you installed, congratulations! PHP has been successfully installed on your Windows computer. So that's how you can install PHP 8.5 on your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.